Hi friends, some amazing things in life looks real amazing. When you see such activity, you get shock of your life because the way in which it's delivered is amazing as well. In this particular video, I'm going to share a very interesting story about one such manufacturing plant. Before you watch this video, I request you to kindly subscribe to this channel in case if you're not subscribed it so far and if you're coming in for the first time. Do share it and pass it on to your friends. Few years back, I was at a plant, a car manufacturing plant at Chennai, the Hyundai factory. One thing which really amazed me was the way in which the assembly line was structured. You just go out and watch out the amazing thing that was laid in front of you. If you just stand on one particular end of the assembly line and just watch out, every 58th second one car just goes out. One I-10 car goes out. So that was the kind of a structure. You can just time it. In the spick and span, the clock work was so amazing. What I've learned on that particular day is the kind of a system that was built around the whole thing. Every single thing, every single connection, every single fitting up, the car, the body keeps passing one after the other, and then the people were actually doing their work flawlessly. On that particular day, I realized how systematic work makes a lot of difference in organizations and of course in our own personal self as well. The great Rockefeller, one of the richest business persons of all time, the oldest, he keeps on talking and advocating about creating a routine for ourselves. Whatever we do, if we can set in a routine, a pattern, that can actually build momentum to our day-to-day lives as well as our business lives. So the message that I want to leave you with this particular video is about creating routine. Getting up in the morning, getting into a workout, do some kind of a thinking, meditating, reading, plan your day, and then ensure that you spend every single minute so systematically. That's the kind of routine. The same goes on to your business as well. Plan your day, plan your week, have meetings, very organized meeting, systematic meetings with your respective teams, and then create certain kind of agenda in terms of what you're going to look at every single meetings. If you can create such kind of routine, your business can go to the next level and your life can be very systematic and you can do wonders in life. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye.